Lunga ka, sula zonye mbezi kusazo lunga kawela. The sun is gonna shine, the rain is gonna go.
Africans don't die, we only multiply. I wrote this for the ancestors watching from the sky. I done been through hell and back, the fire in my eyes. I done fell 1,000 times and still I rise. I just wanna let the world know that I was here. Before I disappear, I never live my life in fear. When I die, don't you shed a tear. Prepare for war and put on your gear, cause we know the end is near. I was born without a silver spoon. In the 80s was the era where the crack consumed. 1 million black babies trapped inside their mother's womb. But I escaped, not because I'm great, God don't make mistakes. But I'm thankful for the elders that laid the path, and all of those who said a prayer on my behalf. I'ma make sure the enemy feel the wrath, and keep my foot up on their neck when I press the gas.